are going to love the 2020 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.